Test your knowledge with some random facts. 1. Which animal can mate up to 50 times a day? A. Chimpanzee. B. Lion. C. Rabbit. The answer is B. Lion. A male lion can mate up to 50 times a day with a lioness during her fertile period, sometimes every 15 minutes. No wonder they sleep so much. 2. What's the only food that doesn't spoil? A. Honey. B. Bread. C. Cheese. The answer is A. Honey. Archaeologists have found 3,000-year-old honey jars in Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible. 3. Which insect can survive a week without its head? A. Cockroach. B. Ant. C. Mosquito. The answer is A. Cockroach. Cockroaches can live for a week without a head, until they die of dehydration. Creepy and unstoppable. That's it for today. Drop your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more wild facts. Until next time, bye-bye.